Whenever you watch any video of MrBeast,
in this video, we're going on a $250,000 vacation.
In this video, you'll find fun, money, entertainment, and destruction.
This is a $1 billion super yacht, and it's big enough to hold an entire city on the water.
Almost all of us know that MrBeast is the world's biggest individual YouTube creator.
They're from cross-country, out of the country, and some have never even tried one of these burgers.
But what most of us don't know is that MrBeast has a very dangerous and life-threatening disease. And that disease is Crohn's disease.
I got Crohn's when I was 15, so I played baseball nonstop. And then when I got Crohn's, I lost like 50 pounds.
Even our former finance minister P. Chidambaram suffers from this disease. The worrying part is, a person with Crohn's disease is at high risk of developing cancer. The chances are very high. In today's 3D animated video, I've divided the content into 3 small chapters. In the first chapter, we'll understand whether Crohn's disease can happen to anyone and what it is biologically. In the second chapter, we'll understand the complications, meaning what kinds of problems MrBeast faces due to this disease. And in the last chapter, we'll understand how Crohn's disease keeps threatening MrBeast's life, how it can lead to cancer, and most importantly, why doctors have still not found a cure for it. But like always, let's begin at the very beginning. This is our mouth, and this is the anus. The pipe between them, through which our food travels, is called the gastrointestinal GI tract. Crohn's disease is such a condition where inflammation can occur anywhere along the gastrointestinal tract. As a result, the normal digestive system gets disrupted. An important point. In Crohn's disease, the inflammation isn't continuous. It happens in patches, meaning inflammation can be located anywhere in the gastrointestinal tract. This here is the small intestine, and this is the large intestine. This part of the small intestine is called the ileum, and this part of the large intestine is called the ascending colon. Where the ileum and the ascending colon meet, that region is called the ileocecal region, and this is the primary target of Crohn's disease. Look at this table in front. These corner-placed processed foods. MrBeast cannot eat them because of Crohn's disease. These are trigger foods, meaning eating them triggers symptoms. Symptoms like severe stomach pain, frequent restroom visits, food not being digested and passing through the body, fatigue, weight loss, and even rectal bleeding. You can understand Crohn's disease in simple terms like this. The immune system turns on, but doesn't turn off after completing its job. For example, under normal conditions when microorganisms like bacteria or viruses enter our body, the immune system activates, our body's military. It creates a hostile environment, leading to fever and inflammation as responses. Once the microorganisms are eliminated, the immune system automatically deactivates. But in Crohn's disease, the immune system does not turn off. It keeps causing uncontrolled inflammation. Because of such high levels of inflammation, tissues begin to get destroyed. Moreover, this severe inflammation leads to such intense tissue destruction that it gives rise to a new condition: transmural ulcers. To understand transmural ulcers, look closely at the layers of the gastrointestinal tract. This is a human. Here, the food travels through the GI tract. The wall of the GI tract has these layers: 1. Mucosa, 2. Submucosa, 3. Muscularis layer 4. Serosa. Beneath the serosa, there are epithelial tubes where blood flows. In Crohn's disease, ulcers, sores, go so deep that the serosa layer gets damaged. Blood starts leaking from veins, which can cause even more serious complications in the body. Now we know how dangerous this disease is, but the important question is, how did MrBeast get Crohn's disease? And even more important, can you, I, or anyone in the world get it? Back in 1933, Dr. Burl Crohn, along with his colleagues, discovered this disease. But shockingly, even after 91 years, from 1932 till now, doctors still haven't found a cure. One simple reason: we still don't fully know what causes Crohn's disease. However, 3 major factors have been identified so far. 1. Uncontrolled immune system response leading to chronic inflammation. 2. Environment, including diet and smoking. 3. Genetics. To understand the genetic factor, let's look at a cell. This is a cell. Its most important part is the nucleus, which gives orders to the cell and plays a vital role in development. Inside the nucleus, you'll find chromosomes, thread-like structures. Every cell in our body has these chromosomes, and inside them is DNA, a molecule that contains all the genetic information related to development and functioning. Each chromosome has two parts, a short arm, P arm, and a long arm, Q arm. Now focus here. This is chromosome number 64, and this is its 12th band, where there's a gene called NOD2. Some mutations in the NOD2 gene can cause the immune system to malfunction, triggering diseases like Crohn's.